Good afternoon, you nine. Welcome to Lockdown Assembly 3. I hope you enjoyed the little panoramic there of the assembly stage and seating. I know you haven't been in here for a while and I'm sure you're starting to miss it. I thought it would be a good time to do an assembly actually where assemblies normally take place rather than in different parts of my house. So this assembly we are going to focus on perseverance, but also having a willingness to change, and that will become clear in the video clips that I show you towards the end of the assembly. But also obviously bear in mind what's going on at the moment, and we are having to persevere with these particular issues in terms of staying at home and not being in school and having to do your work at home and not maybe seeing your family and your friends like you want to. So it's all about perseverance, but we also need to have that willingness to change, you know, that new normal, if you like, that Mr. Woodcock's talked about before, because at the moment it's our new normal, and we are having to adapt to that, we are having to change the way we are and what we're doing. And so I thought we could use that as the theme for this assembly. But also, last week I did the toilet bowl Keepy-uppys, and I finished off with a nice little volley and had a little bit of a laugh and a joke around the technique I was using. That did inspire some teachers though, and Mr. Mallard decided that he wanted to have a go, but not do the Keepy-uppys. He wanted to go one better. So I'll hand over to Mr. Mallard.
Mr. Clarke, thank you very much for sharing your assemblies. I hope Year 9 are enjoying them as well. I just wanted to make a quick video about your second assembly. You did the Keepy-uppy challenge with toilet paper, and then at the end you did a rather powerful volley, which you claimed was a good example of great technique. I think what you need to do is try less for power and think more about accuracy and more about finesse. Watch this.
So well done to Mr. Mallard. I think we can all agree that did show a nice little bit of finesse and skill there, and he's done a very, very good job. So I couldn't let him get away with at least trying to do something a little bit different, which is part of the reason I actually came into the assembly hall today. Let's have a look at how I got on. Now, I'm not going to tell you how long it took for me to get that right, but I think you can see from the expression afterwards that it was quite a while. Just to finish, another little bit of good news. Well, good news for some. Some of you might not think it's good news, but we'll wait and see. I just wanted to let you know that I will be your year leader going into next year and beyond into year 11, okay? So I am going to continue being your year leader for the next 2 years until you leave East Burgoll, and hopefully we can work together, support each other, and ultimately you'll be successful. So hopefully I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.